Today we are here to talk about completely nothing. Yeah, that's right. Completely nothing. I'm gonna fletch and you'll watch. I wonder, maybe I can make a torch of it, I guess. That weird. Okay, seriously though, we'll actually do a bit about something. Today we're here to uh, 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 uh. Oh, talking like with hiccups. Wow. Okay, today we are doing, as you see, uh, oh yeah, that's an ass, but as you see, I'm doing fletching. Oh, well, that was a weird hiccup. That was bad. Well, maybe I should do that. Getting a rare on SOF. BRB. Oh, crap. Only a leg. Be back with, yeah. Oh boy. We're back! Oh my god, squeal! Oh my god! You piece of shit! Oh boy. What is this? Ranging. What? Why would I want that? Okay. Fishing. Oh, hiccup. Let's try and see how this works. Oh, those wonderful hiccups. No rare! No rare! Wow, right beside one. And no rare. What the hell? Oh yeah. What did I get again? Why is this still here? Oh, I need to get my pin. Be back. God, I'm back. Oh, that was weird. Okay. 10K, are you fucking nuts? Oh, yeah, the reason I made a random crappy video was because she wanted to hear my hiccups. What a weirdo. Okay. Yeah, you get the point. That one was really bad. Now, I'm gonna fletch. Beautiful bang, isn't it? Not really. Oh. Ass. Oh, that's right. She's totally clueless. Let's see. Oh, look at the big baby. Big baby. Big baby. Little girl. What the hell's it called? Oh, blood bow. Yes, you are. What the heck? Time for my buttholes in the air. What the fuck? Okay. Balls, 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 shoot balls in the air. Oh boy. Yes, I might be. Oh, whoops. Perverted zombie. Perverted zombie. See? See? Oh boy. see. Oh, did I lose my hiccups? Oh my god. What a chicken. Why can't I get normal hiccups? So. And I'm back to fletching. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't notice I was that close to getting another million. That's awesome. Well, bye. See you later. Subscribe. Take a shit. Come on, bring it. Take a shit. I'll see you taking a shit with me later on. Join me if you want to. I dare you. Oh my god, seriously, goodbye.